In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Einstein in Salesforce. If you're ready to add some AI magic to your Salesforce experience, then follow along. We'll go through this step by step, ensuring that you're up and running with Einstein in no time. First things first, you need to log into your Salesforce account. Make sure you have your credentials handy. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Salesforce dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already. Understanding the layout really helps as we navigate through the next steps. Now that you're logged in, the next move is to head over to the settings. You can usually find the settings option as an icon, perhaps resembling a gear or something similar, depending on your theme. Go ahead and click on it. Accessing the settings menu is our gateway to making changes and customizing Salesforce to our liking. With the settings open, the next step is crucial. You're going to click on Open Advanced Setup. This section houses many of the native applications and configurations that you can enhance in Salesforce. It might seem a bit daunting if you're new, but don't worry. Everything is laid out in a fairly logical manner once you start to explore it. Once inside the advanced setup, you'll notice a quick find search box. This will be your best friend for finding exactly what you need without having to manually scroll through endless options. In the quick find box, start typing Einstein setup. As you type, you should see it appear in the suggestions. Click on it to speed up our process. After entering the Einstein setup area, you're just 2 short steps away from enabling the AI features. Now, look for and select Einstein Generative AI. This option may have an intriguing description attached to it, explaining its functionality within Salesforce. Getting familiar with its potential will only make your future use of Salesforce all the more powerful. Now, for the last and most important step, enabling Einstein. You'll see a toggle switch next to the Turn on Einstein Features option. Go ahead and click this toggle. Once flipped, Einstein's various insightful capabilities are instantly activated within your Salesforce instance. You've now unlocked enhanced analytics and smart insights that will make navigating your CRM even more effective. And there you have it. With Einstein now enabled, you're set to start utilizing AI-driven data to enhance your business decisions. Remember, the more you engage with these features, the more you'll discover about their potential to improve your workflow efficiency. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to consult Salesforce's extensive help resources. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your newly enhanced AI capabilities.